Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how my underwear is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Our high-speed circular looms ensure a perfect blend of comfort and stretch, calibrated to the micron.
Every component is laser cut and 3D molded for a perfect anatomical fit.
By blending cotton, elastane, and synthetic fibers, we ensure the materials are combined perfectly for optimal quality and elasticity.
To ensure the highest quality and elasticity, we carefully combine the raw materials in this chamber.
Our quality control team inspects every seam to ensure maximum durability.
And that's how world-class men's underwear is made, as right, famed, from start to finish.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how men's underwear is made. It's finished, toe, from start to finish.